Hey art friends, welcome to today's how-to. Today we'll be learning how to draw black from Incredibox Sprunki. First we're going to get started with the hat. So on the left hand side we're going to draw on a diagonal line that comes up towards the top. And then moving across on the right, lining that up at the same height, we're just going to replicate that. Now let's close this off on the top with a curved line from left to right. Closing off the bottom of the hat now on the left hand side, we're going to bring this line around and then in towards the middle. And then starting back on the right, we're just going to again curve this line around and then back in, blending that together on the bottom. Let's close off the face underneath now. So we're going to draw in a nice big circle, arching this line around and then in towards the bottom. And then on the right hand side, we're going to replicate that, bringing this all the way around and then blending that in together on the bottom. Now let's draw in our eyes. So underneath the hat, we're going to draw in a circle on the left hand side. And then we're going to move over on the right, leaving a gap in the center and replicating that. Now in the middle of both eyes, we're going to draw in a straight line that comes directly across. And then moving underneath both eyes, we're just going to draw in a half circle. Now let's draw in the bodies. On the left-hand side, we're going to draw a diagonal line that comes down towards the bottom of our page. And then we're going to do the same thing as we move down and across on the right, and we're just going to end that at the same height. Now from here, we're going to close this off on the bottom with a straight line. For the mouth in the center, we're going to draw in a small straight line that comes across in the middle. Let's draw in the tie now. So in the center, we're going to draw in two small diagonal lines that meet together, leaving a gap. And then from the corner of those, we're going to draw in two more diagonal lines that come out, and we're going to end those at the same height. Now from here, we're going to draw in two more diagonal lines that join in at the center. And then in the middle, we're just going to close this off with a straight line. And that is it. That's how you draw black from Incredibox Sprunki. You can pause the video and color it the way that I have done, or you can change your colors up if you'd like. If you enjoyed today's video, please hit that thumbs up button and subscribe to the channel, and also drop a comment below suggesting any more characters that you'd love to learn to draw next. Thanks so much for joining me on today's tutorial, and I will see you all on the next one.